Let's use our Pro Tapes products to create the perfect DIY for your outdoor fall decor. We will be using UGlu dashes and our UGlu Industrial strip, as well as a wooden centerpiece base and 3 jack-o'-lantern. Be sure to open a wide enough opening on your basket so that you can slide it through your centerpiece stand. We will be using our UGlu Industrial strip to secure it in place to the bottom of our centerpiece stand. Using our strip once more, you're going to add some of the UGlu on top of each pumpkin to secure them in place. Repeat this process for each of your pumpkins. Using your UGlu dashes, you can add a ribbon of your choice to the center of each of your pumpkins, just as a decorative touch. And now you are ready to add your florals. Using your floral foam, you're going to insert it into the centerpiece stand and then add whatever flowers you have around your house or seasonal decor that you wish to add here. And once you're finished, you're going to have the perfect decorative item to place in front of your doors for the fall season. Let us know if you enjoyed this tutorial in the comments below.